Ugh. Anyway, I have a little activity for us to do together today. If you're interested in this look, I'll link the video up here if you haven't seen it already. Today's video, I finally got me a skincare fridge. We gonna unbox it together and stock it up. See you in a second. Woo! Bitch, you gonna stay the fuck on my nail because I told you to, bitch. The floor, this nail is just like going kamikaze and shit on the floor. Okay. Woo! I picked this up Black Friday. I know, bitch, it's been a minute. Leave me alone. Fuck. I already dropped something. Shit. Leave me alone. I'm a nurse. I work way too goddamn much, and y'all need to stay your asses at home so I don't have to keep dealing with COVID, even though the actual case sucks. Anyway, back to the point here. God damn, Isabella, you're ADD as fuck. We're gonna open this bitch. So this is the Frigidaire Retro Mini Beverage Refrigerator, but it's also marketed as a skincare fridge, and it's so cute. Look at it, I got it in black. So we gonna stock these little bitch up. I've always wanted one of these, but I wasn't paying no $50. I got this for $15 US dollars. Okay, your girl likes a bowl on a budget. Okay, so try not to break a nail in the process. Ugh. Oh, you really in there, girl? Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some pimping in it. Is that how it goes? I don't know what the fuck. I don't know how it goes. Okay. Okay. Well, damn. I just dropped a bunch of shit. I don't even know what that was. This is how big she is. She's a decent size. I think there's a shelf in here. How do you open this? I'm expecting like some little fucking munchkin creature to open the door. Is it locked? Oh, you turn it. Oh, look at that. I feel like I'm having flashbacks to Jeffrey's video where I couldn't open the palette. Look at that. Woo! Okay. I wonder how much I'm gonna be able to fit in here. So the plug is inside. And we have a little shelf. So let's start stocking her up, shall we? I'm gonna go through real quick what I got here, okay? I figured it'd be really refreshing to have an overnight skincare mask in there. This is the watermelon by Girl little recipe. I love this stuff, man. If you're having a shitty skincare day, this is amazing. It smells like Jolly Ranchers, and you'll just wake up with skin looking like you were kissed by baby angels. So we're gonna stack her up at the top here. There goes my nail again. I give up. I don't care at this point. If you want to judge me, judge me. They're Amazon press-ons anyway. Okay. Oh god, did I just really? Yeah, I did. I really fucking did. I'm gonna have a knot later, it's fine. Oh, fuck. Why am I like this, bro? I should have like set a table up to film this, but I'm sleep deprived right now, so at least that didn't come out and whack me in the face. Alright, I love this face mist. It's by Caudalie. It's the Beauty Elixir, and this shit's expensive. I just want to test how refreshing it would be. Is this too fucking big? I wonder if I lay it that way, if it's gonna leak. We'll find out. We're testing a lot of things out today, aren't we? Okay, I got this Dewy skin cream from TATCHA. And this is like super expensive, super hydrating. It's Boujee AF. So we're gonna see if she feels more expensive when she's cold. So we're gonna put her in there too. This mask I get from my esthetician when I do my facials. This is the BLISSOMA Loving Recovery Beta-glucan mask. And it's so good, especially for winter time, for dry skin. And it already has like a cooling feel to the skin. So I'm gonna test it out. We're running out of space though. I'm gonna put you down here. This rose face mask by Fresh. We'll see what's on. We're gonna put her in there. I want to try and see how this rose toner is gonna feel on my face. This is by The Body Shop, the British Rose Petal-Soft Gel Toner. This is a dupe for the Fresh Rose Toner, FYI. So we'll just lay her like that. What else are we putting in here? For sure, I'm gonna have to put in this is my face roller. I usually keep it in my regular fridge. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh my god, can you fucking open? Can something cooperate today? Jesus Christ. So this is what she looks like, and it's so refreshing in the fridge because it's like so cold, and then you just put a towel on your face with a sheet mask. So I already know how to hold up that shit. And we lost another nail. Okay. So let's put her like there. Looking good so far, what you think? Okay. Let's put some sheet masks in here. So the first one is my Innisfree. It's Manuka Honey sheet mask. I got this at Marshall's. Yes. So we'll put one of those in. And I have these two from TONYMOLY. This one is I'm Cactus sheet mask. It's supposed to be purifying. So we'll put that one in there. And the Calming I'm Hemp sheet mask by TONYMOLY. I never say that shit right. Okay. We already got some cream in there. Let's put this this eye serum. It's almost done, but whatever. It's this Neutrogena City Shield Hyaluronic Eye Serum. We're gonna put her in the bag. And we're about to lose another nail. Wow. What a life to live. I'm gonna put this serum by Awake. It's their Glow Pill Serum. I'm gonna put that in there too. What is left? I think that's it. Ooh. My favorite toner of all time, the Glow Recipe Watermelon one. We're gonna stick that bad boy in there too. Alright, I'm gonna plug this bitch in. And we'll do a follow-up video with if I think that this bougie ass shit is worth it or not. I honestly thought this was gonna be a little bit bigger, but you know, whatever. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you when I see you.